The world order is changing right now. I'm going to show you what is happening right now and what you can do about it and how you can profit from it. Right now, the big themes are AI, the trade wars with Trump, how entrepreneurship became a hype, then what's going on with education, personal branding, traditional media, what's going on? Nobody knows. I'm going to give you a quick overview and what you can do about it. So number one, AI. AI is taking over as we speak. AI is getting integrated more and more day by day into every business you know. Administrative tasks are no people. This is all regulated by AI. Management, AI. Everything that has to do with statistics will be AI. Education. It's changing right now. It's going to change, and a change is needed. We can't live our lives by the education that we receive right now. The education we receive right now is from the 60s and 50s and the 19th century. It's not the same as the world that we live in today. We have to change it. So, personal branding, YouTube, online communities, new platforms are getting launched every single year. The global education is becoming more online, and this is a really important change. The next thing is the trade wars. I'm going to just roughly speak about this topic. I'm not a finance expert in no way. I'm just giving my opinion right here. The trade wars have begun right now, and the markets will fluctuate about it. People are overreacting, and we will see how this will play out. This is a global thing. It has also to do about the West against the East, how the future is going to be. It's a power game. Yeah, it's all integrated in this. And yeah, the last thing I want to talk about is that entrepreneurship became a kind of hype in the last couple of years, and what this affects in the market. So the first thing about AI, what you can do about it and how you can profit from it, it's start integrating it. I know you're using it way too little. Start generating ideas by it. Outsource administrative tasks. Let it, manage your time, summarize information, let it just help you. It's generated, it's produced to help you. If you use it and it doesn't use you, you will profit from this changing era. We will have to use it as an assistant and not get replaced by it. The replacement only happens if we don't control it by our own power. So use it every day, get better every day, integrate it into products, ecosystem, service delivery. You can integrate it anywhere you want. It's also used right now in the market to boost investments and fundraising, so be careful with that, but use it by yourself. It will help you in the future. The second thing, the trade war thing, I just roughly want to talk about it. Stick to your plan, stick to your investments, maybe buy the dip, but nobody knows how long this will go. Just don't overreact, don't oversell, don't panic. It's going to be fine. The market has recovered 100% of the time in the past, so it will play out. And the next thing is about the media. and how it's changing. Traditional media is not the same anymore. Newspapers, TV, radio, it's getting less popular day by day. Less people buying their subscriptions, less people watching TV, less people interested in sports. Maybe that not so much, but news especially. And the new personal media, the individual media is getting more popular, like podcasts, YouTube tutorials, YouTube in general. Then online communities is a really big thing. I will touch on that later once again. Yeah, make sure you're choosing your information wisely. There is rising supply and there is also rising demand, but the supply is rising right now really quickly, so make sure you're choosing your information right. And the last thing is about the education and how we learn. We need to change it. We can't live like this anymore in the future with AI, with generations getting more information as they get younger. Even in the younger ages, they have way more information than 30 years ago. So the same systems won't work. So we have to change something. Yeah. And as said, online communities will be a great part of it. Also the individual media, information, distribution, everything like that. And I also want to quickly hit on the entrepreneurship hype once again. I think the markets will be filled with more supply of different products, but there will be more repetition inside the market than ever before. So you will have to choose your products, your services, and don't just take the first thing, grab it. Really focus on what you're getting offered, the guarantees you're getting, the reviews. Just go in detail and don't start any scams, illegal things. Business takes time. It will take time, and it's okay to take time. Don't let people pull you down. And if you're starting a business and becoming an entrepreneur, like me, that's my goal. I'm identifying as an entrepreneur, but am I really one? I don't know. I don't know yet. I'm building my agency right now, but I don't have a profit yet, so we will see how this is going. And yeah, that's just my subjective opinion what's going on right now. There are a lot of other topics that are changing the world as we speak. Make sure you're perspicacious, just have a look, choose your information right, build slow, build the foundation, and build your future. Yes, I wish you a great day, a great night, and keep building.